Hey guys, welcome back to another video. D Wood here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this really simple, like 30 minutes and go type simple look for the holiday season. I feel like this look is really versatile, so either you rock this to the corporate Christmas party or just to take some family photos. Either way it go, you gonna show up looking like that girl. Before we get into anything, definitely be sure that you are subscribed. We're on the road to 10,000 subscribers. Go ahead and thumbs up the video, because how am I gonna know you like the video or that you like this look if you didn't thumbs up the video? So definitely go ahead and do that. Drop a comment down below and let's just jump right into it. All right, y'all, so we starting off real crusty, dusty, musty today. The skin is giving very much crocodile, okay? I started a new skincare regimen and it's actually working. I don't know if you guys can tell, but there's like no active pimples. It's just like scarring, and I feel like a little blackhead or something coming in right here, but hopefully it's gone by tomorrow. But anyway, no active breakout, so I'm cool with it. Lips dry, face is dry, everything is just giving dry, but it's okay because I have some new products from Merit Beauty. They sent over the Fete Edition. I want to say this is like a gift box because look how cute. So this actually comes with a signature lipstick, a brow pomade, a mascara, a glow serum, which I'm really here for, especially because the skin, can y'all hear that? Like, my skin is so dry. And it also comes with a highlighter. So I believe you get 3 full-size products and 2 sample sizes. Let's go ahead and jump into the makeup look. First of all, I need to moisturize my lips, moisturize my face, because it's like legit dry. I'm gonna try this instant glow serum. Oh, it comes with a pump. That's cool. So should I put this on my face? I don't know how should I? Ooh. Oh, it doesn't smell like anything. Let me put a little bit more. Y'all know I live for a good glow. This feels nice. This is more of like an oil, like a lightweight oil. I thought it was gonna be kind of like a jelly oil kind of consistency, but it's more so like an oil. Ooh, it's very liquidy too. It doesn't feel oily on the skin though. Let me show y'all the texture. Ooh, it's literally like water. Like my forehead was on crocodile, literally. So for today, I was thinking doing something really simple, something like that the everyday woman would create. She don't have 3, 4, 5 different concealers and like she's going to a holiday party after work. Like, that's the vibe, right? So that's what I'm gonna try to create today. So I wanted to give, like, the holiday party is starting right after work and you only have like 1 hour to like spruce yourself back up and you know, that whole shebang. I've only gone to 1 like corporate holiday party and I really feel like I couldn't really enjoy it because I was working the party. Like, it was like I still had to work. So for foundation, I'm doing the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Foundation, and I'm only gonna put a little because I just feel like the everyday woman, like, y'all get what I'm saying? And I just feel like this is something like my mom would have done back in the day, you know? I remember back in the day, me and my dad used to drive my mom to her corporate holiday parties. And it used to be so fun. They used to have it in like cool hotels and like, it just seemed so fun. And I remember her getting ready and I don't remember her doing the extra most. It seemed like to me, like thinking back, I don't really vividly remember her getting ready, but I'm just like assuming what my mom would have done. And I can't picture her being in the mirror, like sprucing herself up for a whole hour. I feel like the makeup for like everyday women is like 20-30 minutes tops and like you out the door type of thing, you know? Wow, y'all, my forehead is looking so much better. Oh my God. I'm literally so excited. It looks very dry still. I'm gonna drop the skincare regimen once I can fully vouch for what I'm using. But right now, it definitely looks 10 times better. Like, can y'all tell? Now, I wanted to do my MAC, what are these called again? Pro Longwear Concealers, because I just feel like I haven't reached for it in a really long time. And I'm trying to use up my stuff before it expires. So we're gonna use her today. Y'all, every time I sit down, I forget to bring a doggone sponge. Why am I like this? I need to make a note right here on the side of my camera and like next to all my stuff that says, don't forget a sponge. This concealer dries real fast. So definitely make sure you're not letting it sit for too long because it's gonna dry up on you, girl. I feel like it's perfect for a holiday party too. Because you about to be turned up with all your colleagues. And who got time to be touching up their face? I'm gonna go ahead and blend this out with my $2.50 brush that I love. Like, come on, skin. I'm gonna bring the concealer over top of my eyelids some, just to give me like a blank canvas to work with when I do get to the eyes, even though it's not gonna be anything crazy. My shirt is just violating me today. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the 24-hour matte concealer. This is just a lighter color because I want a little bit of a highlight, right? Let me not use too much of this. I think I'm gonna bring it in my brow some and right here. Now this stuff dry fast too, so you really want to go ahead and blend that out. Also, I feel like the everyday woman is not sitting like for 5 minutes to let her concealer dry down. Like, I just feel like the everyday woman does not care. Like, if you're in a rush, you got off of work at 5, the party started at 7, and you gotta travel through Atlanta traffic, you really need to be out the house by 6 to make it on time. Like, even if the venue only 20 minutes away, you need to leave the house at 6 to make it there on time by 7. So who really got time? Like, you get what I'm saying? To be in the mirror for hella long. Okay, we are definitely coming together really nicely. Okay, so I know I said I wasn't gonna do like all the extra stuff, but I can't not cream contour. This is something everybody needs to do. Like, everyday woman or not, you need to cream contour. I'm putting it real high today because I want like a snatch face. I remember about a year ago, was that last year or the year before? It was either 2020 or 2021. I don't remember which year it was, but I had a client who booked me to do her makeup for her job's corporate party. And she did not care if she was late. She wanted that glam, okay? And her dress was so pretty, like, she didn't care about the time. She needed the glam. I feel like that's how I would be. I don't care if I'm late. I don't care if I only got 30 minutes to party. I'm gonna show up and show out. For a holiday party, like, come on. Either I'm gonna show up and show out, or I'm just not gonna come. But that's how I am in general. Like, either I'm gonna show up and show out, or I'm not gonna go. That's just how it is. If I can't find nothing to wear, I'm not going. Okay, the face is looking really good, and I'm really proud of my skin. I really hope that this continues to work for me. I'm using a little bit of the Rare Beauty blush. I really hope that this continues to work for me, because if it does, I'm doing a whole skincare routine so that y'all can see the new stuff that I've been using. And I honestly did not think anything over the counter was gonna work for me. So I just been waiting to see my dermatologist, but I can't take this no more. I like my makeup to lay a certain way, and it's so hard to do my makeup when I have a whole bunch of active pimples. Okay, so I just did a little bit of blush today because we in a rush, right? So I went ahead and set my highlighted areas with the Pat McGrath. Girl, Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Setting Powder.
DJ Envy, Angela Lee, Angela Yee, damn.
That's a long name. Very much a tongue twister. Oh, you know what I forgot to do? Oh my God. Oh no, I really wanted to use the Bounce. Okay, I'm gonna do it. Highlighting stick from Merit. And I'm gonna use it right between where the powder and the blush meet. Oh, that's actually really pretty. I was kind of skeptical because I had already set my face, but that actually looks really pretty. It kind of has like a, I don't want to say an oily texture, but that's kind of what it gives. It's like a balm. Is that what they call it? Yeah, okay, yeah. A little bit right here. Okay. Yeah, there's the glow. There's the glow. I kind of was iffy about that. I wasn't sure if it was going to be too light on my complexion, but I actually like it. If you guys are interested in any of these Merit products that I'm using, definitely check the description down below and use my code. I'm gonna have everything down below for you, so it's real easy to access, okay? Before we do the powder blush, I actually wanna go ahead and do my lip because I don't know what blush color I want to rock today because I don't know what this lip is gonna look like on me. First of all, I ain't shaved my mustache. And for some reason, red lips really amplify your mustache. I'm gonna do a little bit of powder. This is the Sephora Micro Smooth Powder. To line the lip, I think I'm gonna go in with Morphe Trendsetter. And the name of the lipstick is called Aperitif. I had no clue how to pronounce it or no clue what that meant. I had never heard that word in my life. So I Googled it, of course. It apparently means, like, you know, you have an appetizer before your entree or like your main course, your main dish. The aperitif is basically like an alcoholic appetizer, basically. It's like an alcoholic drink that prepares you for your meal, which I thought that was real cool. I ain't never had no aperitif. So now we're gonna go ahead in with the lipstick. This is in the shade Aperitif, like I mentioned before. And the bullet is shaped so pretty to me. I'm so scared, like, oh, I am not sure how I'm feeling about this lip. But what I'm gonna do is take my Pixie liner and use it to really define the outer portion of the lip. So I wanna map my lip out a little bit. So I'm just gonna take a red eyeshadow and just use it to kind of matte the lipstick a little bit. And I don't want to use a translucent powder. That actually looks really pretty. Adding the matte shadow on top really helps this work for me. Okay, let's keep it pushing, girl. So I think for the blush, I'm gonna do MAC Raisin. I'm just plopping her right on. That is so pretty. I'm coming together, and this face is literally not taking long at all. Do I want to do a winged liner? I'm gonna do a little bit of mascara. I think a bold wing liner, a really nice pair of lashes, really simple skin, and a red lip is like the ultimate combo. This is the Merit mascara, of course. We're trying her out today. Yo, my skin looks so good. Oh my God, I'm like impressed. I'm telling y'all, if this continues to work, I'm gonna put y'all on. So don't you fret, baby girl. Okay, so that's one eye. And I might make it thicker once the lashes are on. Cause like, you know, the lash takes up some space. We are looking really good. Let's go ahead and fix these brows up. Like I said, we're not doing nothing spectacular to them. I just want to get them nice and neat. I don't really want to do too much to my brows today. So I just started off with the brow pomade. Let's go ahead and pop on this lash. This is the perfect lash, but I'm so sorry. I don't know what lash it is because I took it out of the thing and it doesn't have a case basically. I'm sorry, don't kill me. All right, so before I close out the video, I just want to add a little bit of the Milani Luminoso blush. If you know, you know. I'm using her kind of as a highlighter today, just to up that highlight. Like, it already is booming, but I want it to be booming. If you guys are interested in any of these limited edition items that I used in today's look, definitely check the description box below. I'm gonna leave a link down there, so if you're interested, check the description box. Everything's gonna be down there. Shout out to Merit, by the way. Also, if you guys are interested in making a purchase, you'll get free shipping if your order is $40 or more. And if it's your first purchase, you'll get a free bag. Let me show you the bag actually, because I got it. Hold on. Okay, so I believe this is the bag that you will receive if this is your first time purchasing from Merit. These were actually my two favorite products, the Day Glow Highlighting Balm, because I feel like you could just throw this in your purse and rock this on a no makeup day. Your skin gonna be looking real pretty, real glowy. Like you be drinking your water and minding your business. And of course, the Instant Glow Serum, because I'm all about a good glow. Especially now that my skin is going through this really dry period, the more glow, the better, okay? All right, guys, so this is the final look. If I was actually going anywhere, it's actually past midnight again. It's almost 1 in the morning. But if I was actually going anywhere, to any Christmas party, holiday party, whatever, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be breaking necks with this look. Real simple, real stunning. This look gives like real classy vibes, you know, like untouchable vibes. That's pretty much all I have for y'all today. So with that being said, I'm gonna let y'all go and I will see y'all in the next video.